हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी यज्ञा दयानंद गुरु तुमचं माझ्या यज्ञा लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करते. मुलांना आज आपण आपला जो 5th चॅप्टर आहे इनसाइड द ॲटम त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स जे आहेत ते आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर नक्की करा. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया आपल्या क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सरला. First question, answer the following. What is the difference in the atomic models of Thomson and Rutherford? So the answer is Thomson theory आणि Rutherford theory याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला distinguish between करायचं आहे. So first states that electron are embedded in a positive charge solid material which is spherical in shape. And here in Rutherford theory states that an atom is composed of an atomic nucleus around which electrons are revolving in an orbit. Okay. Here second in Thomson theory does not give any detail about the atomic nucleus, and here explain about the atomic nucleus. Then again here states that electrons are uniformly disturbed in an atom and state that electrons are located around a central solid material. In Thomson theory indicates that atom is spherical in shape. Other side indicates that an atom has a central solid core called as nucleus surrounded by the electrons. Then does not give any idea about constituents of nucleus. And here states that nucleus is composed of protons and neutrons. Okay, next question. What is mean by valency of an element? What is the relationship between the number of valence electron and valency? Answer is valency of an element, it is the number of electrons of an atom of the element uses to combine with atoms of other elements. It is the combining power of an atom of the element, and valency of an atom is determined by its electronic configuration. It gives idea about the number of electrons lost or gain in order to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. For example, Na, that is 11 and is equal to 2, 8 and 1. So its valency is 1. Then Cl, that is 17, 2, 8, 7. So its valency is also 1. Okay. Then the number of valence electron, it is defined as the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. It is not necessary that all the valence electrons take part in bonding. For example, Na11, that is 281, so its number of valence electron is 1, and Cl, that is 17, so 287, so the number of valence electron is 7. Okay. It can be seen that valency of an element is related to number of valence electrons in that atom. Okay. Then move to the next question. What is mean by atomic mass number? Explain how the atomic number and mass number of carbon are 6 and 12 respectively. So the answer is atomic mass number, it is the sum of the total number of protons and neutrons present in a nucleus. Atomic mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay. Then atomic number is equal to number of protons and is equal to number of electrons. It is denoted by Z. Okay. Then mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron and it denotes by A. For example, carbon atom, its number of proton 6, then number of neutron 6, number of electron 6, then atomic number, that is denoted by Z, is equal to number of proton and number of electron. Okay. So is equal to 6. Then mass number, that is denoted by A, number of proton plus number of neutron, that is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Next question, what is mean by subatomic particle? Give brief information of three subatomic particles with reference to electrical charge, mass and location. So the answer is subatomic particles. Subatomic particles is a structural and functional unit of the matter. That means all the matters are made up of these fundamental particles. According to modern atomic theory, an atom has a nucleus which is present in its center or core. This nucleus contains subatomic particles like proton and neutron. Difference between subatomic particles are as follow, that is electrons. So electrons are present outside the nucleus of an atom. Electrons are negatively charged, that is 1.6 into 10 minus 19 coulomb. Then third one, the mass of an electron is considered to be negligible. It is 100 it is 1800 times less than that of the hydrogen. Okay, then relative mass is equal to 1 upon 1840 times hydrogen, and it revolves around the nucleus in the discrete orbit. Okay, then next one is proton. Protons are present in the nucleus of an atom. So protons are positively charged, that is 1.6 into 10 minus 19th coulomb. Then the mass of a proton is approximately 1 u, that is 1 Dalton, and that is 1 Dalton is equal to 1.66 into 10 minus 27 g. Okay, they are closely bound in the nucleus. The neutrons are present in the nucleus of an atom, and neutrons are neutral. There is no charge. Okay, the mass of neutron is nearly equal to mass of a proton, that is 1 u, that is 1 Dalton, and that is 1 Dalton is equal to 1.66 into 10 minus 27 g. Then they are closely bound in the nucleus. Okay, then move to the next question. Give scientific reasons. First one, all the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So the answer is all the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus because atom contains three subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutron, and out of which nucleus present at the center of an atom contains two subatomic particles, that's proton and neutron, and the mass of nucleus is the sum of mass of proton and neutron located at the center of an atom. Okay, then move to the second question. Atom is electrically neutral. So the answer is atom is electrically neutral because in an atom electrons and protons carry charges, and each atom has equal number of protons, that is positively charged, and electrons has negatively charged. Okay. Third question, atomic mass number is a whole number. So the answer is atomic mass number is a whole number because it is the sum of the numbers of proton and number of neutron present in an atom, and which is present in the form of integers. Okay, then next, atoms are stable through negatively charged electrons are revolving within it. So our answer is atoms are stable through negatively charged electrons are revolving within it because each atom contains equal number of protons and electrons. So charge on negatively charged electrons are balanced by charge on positively charged proton. Therefore atom is electrically neutral and stable. Move to the third question, that is define the following term. First one is atom. An atom is defined as the structural and functional unit of a matter. The term atom comes from the Greek word which means indivisible, and because atoms are the smallest thing in the universe and could not be divided, atoms are made up of three subatomic particles like proton, neutron and electrons. Then next, isotope. So isotope are atoms that have same atomic number but different mass number. and isotopes have the same number of proton but different number of neutrons. Okay, these are some common examples of isotopes. Okay, 3 2He 4 2He 12 6C 14, then 6C 235 92U 239 92U 289. Okay, then next, atomic number, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, which is a characteristic of a chemical element and determines its place, okay, in the periodic table. Atomic number is also equal to number of electrons in an atom. For example, atomic number of carbon, that is 6, atomic number of nitrogen, that is 7, and number of oxygen, that is 8, number of magnesium, that is 12. Then atomic mass number, it is the sum of total number of protons and neutrons present in a nucleus. Atomic mass number, number of protons, number of neutrons. Atomic number, number of protons, number of electrons if it is donated by Z. Okay, it denote by Z. Then mass number, number of protons plus number of neutrons, and it denote by A. For example, carbon atom, its number of protons 6, number of neutrons 6, number of electrons 6. Then atomic number, it denote by Z, number of proton, then number of electrons, that is 6. Okay, then mass number, that is denoted by A, number of proton plus number of neutron, that is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay, move to the next question. Moderate in nuclear reactor. Then moderator in nuclear reactor. Moderator of nuclear reactor is a substance that slows down the speed of neutrons. In traditional nuclear reactors, the moderator is the same thing as that of coolant like water. Okay, then fourth question, draw a neat label diagram. So you can see the diagram is draw here. Okay, you can copy it. Then Rutherford's scattering experiment is the first diagram. Okay, then second is Thomson atomic model is a second diagram. Okay, then third diagrammatic sketch of electron configuration of magnesium, that is atomic number 12. So you can see the images here. Then fourth one, dramatic sketch of electron configuration of argon, atomic number 18. So the answer is, you can see here the diagram. Okay, then next question, fifth, fill in the blanks. Electron, proton, neutron are the types of dash in an atom. So types of subatomic particles. Then an electron carries a dash charge, that is negative charge. Then the electron shell dash is nearest to the nucleus. So electron shell K is nearest to the nucleus. Then the electron configuration of magnesium 282. From this it is understood that the valence shell of magnetism is M shell. Okay, the valency of hydrogen is 1 as per the molecular formula H2O. Therefore, valency of Fe turns out to be 3 as per the formula Fe203. Okay, then move to the sixth question, match the pairs. Group A, proton, and here answer positively charged, electron negatively charged, then electron neutral. Okay, neutron neutral. Then seventh question, deduce from the datum provided. So the datum provided, that is data to be provided, is here you can see. Let's see the answer. Okay, 2311 Na, that is neutron number. Okay, we have to find neutron number. So formula mass number minus number of protons. So mass number is 23 and number of proton is 11. So is equal to 12. Okay, 23 minus 11, that is 12. Then next 14 and 6 C. Then mass number is 14. Okay. Then next one 37 17 Cl, that is proton, that is proton number and is equal to atomic number, so is equal to 17. ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपले क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स जे आहेत ते इथेच कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत अँड होप तुम्हाला हा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तो नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि ऑफकोर्स भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.